Ecoxy provides the function of loyalty management with point program type, and it provides the features like loyalty card generation, loyalty customer creation, card scheme setup, card number allocation, etc. To access the loyalty function, click on the inventory menu and select the option loyalty. Here the loyalty option classified into 4 types, which they are loyalty card, card info, loyalty customer and card scheme. In loyalty card form, user can create various types of loyalty cards for loyalty management and can include card charges, loyalty point configuration and card expiry rule. While we clicking on the loyalty card option, it opens to loyalty card search page. Here user can add a new loyalty card and it shows the details of already created loyalty cards. Here we can see the details like card name, expiry rule, card issue amount, minimum points to be redeemed and 1 point value. Under the 1 point value, it shows the converted currency value of loyalty points. Next, on the right side of the data table, a view icon is available here. While we clicking on the view icon, it opens to the created loyalty card form and it helps the user to access the complete details of loyalty card. Next to the view icon is a pencil icon. This pencil icon indicates with edit option. If the user want to edit or make a change for the created loyalty card, then it can be done by using this edit option. Now let's take a look at which all other options are available in the loyalty card search page. On the top left side of the page, here we have a filter option. The filter option enables the user to filter or customize the loyalty card data. While we clicking on the filter option, the filter tab will be opened and here user can enter the card name, card issue amount, minimum points to be redeemed to filter the data. User can also filter the data by selecting an expiry rule. While clicking on the select option, the list of available options will be appear and user can select the required one. After enter the details, click on the apply option to access the data. Next to the filter option is a search bar. With this search bar, user can enter a card name and can access a particular type of data. Next option is the add new loyalty card. This option is using for the purpose of create a new loyalty card. Next to the add new option is export option. With this export option, user can export the complete loyalty card data to Excel format. Now let's take a look at how to create a new loyalty card. For that, click on the add new loyalty card option. While we clicking on the option, it opens to new loyalty card form and here user need to enter the following details to create the loyalty card. The first one is the card name. Here user can enter the required card name. Next, second one is the card expiry rule. By clicking on the select option, user can select the available option. The third one is the card issue amount. Card issue amount is the amount that required for issuing a card and here user can enter the card issue amount. After enter the card issue amount, the next is the card renewal amount. User can enter the card renewal amount on this field. The next is the duplicate card issue amount. It is the amount that required for issuing a duplicate card and here user can enter the duplicate card issue amount. Next option is the minimum points to be redeemed. Each card should have minimum points to be redeemed and user can set the minimum point level of the card in this field. After enter the minimum points, the next is the opening points. Here user can enter the opening points of the card. The last one is the 1 points equal to option. The converted currency value of loyalty points are shown in here and user can enter the 1 point value of the card here. After enter the details, click on the save option to save it as a new loyalty card. Here we have clear option to clear or cancel this form without saving and also have an exit option to exit from this page without saving. While we clicking on the save option, it redirects to the loyalty card search page and the saved data will be available here. User can make a change or can edit by using this edit option and the view option enables the user to view the created card details. So these are the details included under loyalty card form. Thank you.